TV Gessulli na cobertura da AveSui América Latina 2010. Ao meu lado está Jim Long, ele que é o presidente da indústria de genética canadense Genesus. Good morning. How do you evaluate the Brazilian pork industry and its potential in the international market?
Very interesting question. This is only my second time to Brazil, so what I'm going to give is an observation of what I see of Brazil from afar, not from based on any facts. The thing is, what we see, perception is Brazil is a very dynamic country. The pork industry is very dynamic. It's very aggressive in the world export market, least cost producer, commodity driven. Probably not, perception is it isn't quality driven. Probably some health issues that are perceived in the rest of the world. From a North American perspective, we believe Brazil is the #1 competitor to the North American trading bloc.
Okay. In the last year, the H1N1 flu damaged all the pork market in the world. And this disease, in your opinion, still affects this industry?
The H1N1, which unfortunately was called swine flu, if it was called H1N1, we wouldn't be talking about it. When it was named swine flu, the calculation in North America is that the industry lost $2 billion from greater losses. Part of that was to do to export markets being closed, like China, Russia, Korea, and that put more pork supply in the domestic market of the United States and Canada. Fortunately, the domestic demand held. It was the export markets. But it was a terrible thing, and it sure is an indication of things that can happen that are out of our control that can really damage our industry.
Okay. And, well, the Canadian and the American pork industry had difficult periods in the last years. And nowadays, how is the situation of this industry in both countries?
When we go back over the last 3 years, and I call it the North American industry, it'd be Canada, the United States, and Mexico. There's been approximately 1 million sows liquidated out of production. So what's happened is we have a big drop in production. The H1N1, or unfortunately termed swine flu situation, has gone away. Demand's gone up. Global economy's improved, and prices have accelerated. A year ago right now, the United States price was 56 cents. Yesterday it was 87 cents. That's approximately $65 per head more money. The industry is making more money now than it has since 1996. So it's a terrible situation, has improved over the last month. Now the survivors are making money.
Okay, so what is the perspectives to the world pork industry in this year and the next years?
I believe globally pork production is going to be very good. I think Canada, U.S., Brazil are going to fortunately be rewarded for staying in the market, staying in production. Prices will be strong. I expect profitable markets over the next 2 years. The only country that has got some challenges right now is China, because they've expanded 60 to 80 million pigs over the last 2 years. So it's a phenomenal amount. China expanded the last 2 years equivalent to the U.S. swine industry. So today they're losing money, probably lose money for a while, but they're not a factor in the export markets, and we never export much to them. So I don't think it'll affect Brazil in North America.
Okay. So thank you. Conversei com o Jim Long, presidente da empresa de genética canadense Genesus, Rafael Stuck, na cobertura da AveSui América Latina 2010.